Ready, set, go!
Make sure it's forward.
Hold on to the wheel.
Okay. Ready to steer. Alright, push the gas. Push the gas.
Whoa!
You good? Push the gas all the way to the floor. Gotta steer. You gotta steer.
Steer it. You're driving your own car.
Or go in reverse. Put it in reverse. And pull it back and hit the gas.
There you go.
Push
Now hit
the
the gas.
gas.
You're gonna go backwards. Oh my
You gotta
gosh.
steer the wheel.
Okay, go forward. Wow. That's awesome. Hold on, stop. Go forward.
Now go forward.
Drive around. You can steer. Go wherever you want.
Keep going.
Wow. That's your own car.
Maybe Mama can show him how it works.
He's doing fine.
You
Look
good?
at him. Look at you. Good job. Yeah. Just look behind you because there's always a fire pit right there.